Hi everybody, this is Beach Cricket, going trailblazing today. Gonna get out there and enjoy some nature. Just got the old stick out of the van here, and we are going to enjoy some nature. So you're going along with me. Hope you enjoy everything, and let's get out there and have some fun. It will be a blast. Hi everybody, this is Beach Cricket. And today I'm going to do a little trailblazing at Forest Park Nature Center. This is going to be fun. Bring your binoculars. It's going to be a lot of fun. I got mine. We're going to enjoy this. Yes. This is interesting. That's fun. Here's the trail. Information on the Illinois Nature Preserve.
Oh, that's so gross.
Did you put your wrist on? Push it down. You do it?
Oh, that's perfect.
Perfect. Okay. So this one, you will have to hold.
Okay, I'm gonna take put it on the freeway now.
Put your hand.
Okay. Oh.
And if you want to zoom, this thing right here, you can pull it over.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh,
We gotta wait, we
push
gotta
it back
go
the other way.
Oh,
So push
wait.
it that way to go out.
I'll give
and
a
this way to go
bottom.
in. And then this is the button to take a picture. No. Yeah, this is, okay, watch. Sorry. So zooming in and then zooming out. Okay? And sometimes zooming in a little bit, it's nice. Lily, do you not see all the butterflies? And the only reason I do that is it's easier to see the things in there. No. Choose your crayon color. And then I'm going to take some of this off so you can get more surface. You've done this before. Make impressions in there. I bet you have in class. Yeah. is a great board. It says, "Why stay on the trails?" Because of erosion, soil compactation, invasive spread, and it's no or slow recovery a lot of times when you get off of the trails. It's showing before and after the kind of damage that can happen when you don't stay on the trails. Don't harm the animals. And this is showing severe trail erosion. Loss of plants also. And this is showing low erosion and high erosion. Excellent board. Some of the control features, they have water bars. They use gravel, drainage ditches, slope stabilization, switchbacks, and walk through water puddles, not around them. And do not take shortcuts.
He was taking an extra warm nap up there, I think.
Okay.
Wow, look there.
Super active.
And what's his name again?
Houdini is.
Oh, Houdini.
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 You don't have to, but if you would like to, you can pet him and see what Houdini's scales feel like.
Wow.
See, it feels kind of. I thought it would feel rougher, but really it's kind of soft to me.
No.
And Houdini's just pretty.
Very pretty. I pet him.
Should I hold his middle more, Susie? Okay.
Do you want to pet him and I'll take your picture?
I usually, yeah, as long as I have two hands and on the snake. You know,
Okay.
he's pretty good. He's very active. He doesn't like, as long as you don't touch his face, he's cool. He doesn't like his face touch. Snakes are like that.
You guys know what he's doing with his tongue?
He's like sticking it out and making sure there's no food around him, just in case.
Checking out some stuff, and I thought like that they were trying to talk to us with their tongue, but he's smelling things. Is that right, Susie? So he's smelling and using it to see what's going on, and
He's smelling you guys.
I like to think that he's greeting us too, but he's really smelling us. Does anybody want to come and just stand beside the snake and have your
You give me
moms
this.
take?
Okay, and we are beginning our trail walk.
It's not a pain. We all gonna go. But we all gonna go to the river. You just look at it and that's it. Is this the river? Wait. Or the same top?
You're clanking around. If you're going to take a picture, put the cover on.
I'm here taking cover. This is on. I'm not taking cover if it's like really good. Okay.
And remember to always please stay on the trail, you guys. Okay, so far we're just having a blast out here, looking at all the trails and enjoying all the beauty. It's wonderful. This is so much fun. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
I just jump over stuff. When I'm next to Grandmama, she's adventurous. I'm always okay.
That's right. We're having an adventure today.
Yeah.
We're going trailblazing.
Because we're traveling in the forest, going to the zoo.
Yeah, we're going to go there next.
Wait, I can sense that smell. That means we're going to the zoo. That means we're going in the right direction. My nose is always right because of the smell. We're going to the right direction because my nose always knows when there's not a smell. It means we're not going to the zoo. We're not going to the right direction. If you're going this way and you smell the animals, I smell something. Yeah, me too. Must be a bear.
Hey, well, this has been a lot of fun today, getting a nature hike in. It's always what I like doing. I love trailblazing. So this was a lot of fun. Enjoyed it. Get out there. Wake up and live. Enjoy your life and have a lot of adventures. You'll have a magical time. Beach Cricket out. This out. Wow. What are these things? Aren't they cool? So cool. Okay, everybody, that was a lot of fun. I enjoy being out in nature, and anytime I get the opportunity, I take it. I get out there, and I wouldn't be able to do as much as I do now in my life if it wasn't for my van. I love this baby. Cinnamon Girl is so good to me. It has afforded me the opportunity to live my life the way I want to, and also to just go out there and have adventures. You know, it's outstanding. I encourage anybody that's thinking about living this lifestyle to jump in and do it. Do your research and, make sure that you're safe and wise with it. But go out there and live your dreams, live your life. It's just an amazing adventure if you do, and you won't regret it. There's so many things to see and do, and I'm sure you have a list of things that you've been wanting to do. So take it by the horns and do it. So anyway, go out there, wake up and live, enjoy your life, enjoy van life. I do. Hope you will too. I'll see you guys in the next video, and Beach Cricket out. Bye bye.